Welcome! Today we are going to be showing you how to use the Renau Pieced Out Contour Fiber Cream. The Pieced Out Contour Fiber Cream is great for defining your style, especially if it has a lot of layers. If your style has a flip at the bottom of it, can really define that, or if you have curls, it can really bring out the edginess of each piece. And now let's bring in our model, and I'll show you how to use the Pieced Out Contour Fiber Cream. So I've taken a little bit of the cream. You're just going to put it on the tips of your fingers, and you actually want to rub it in between your palms of your hands to heat it up and make it more moldable. And then you gently just place it through the piece, kind of focusing on the ends of the layering. So as you notice, this piece does have a lot of layering in between here, and just by running it through, it'll attach to the fibers and kind of pull out some of that layering. You can add as much or as little as you want to. Another thing to note, as in between washes, if you have not washed the fiber cream out, which it comes out very easily with your synthetic shampoo, but if you want to reactivate it, you can actually put a spritz of water over it, and then it'll reactivate the cream. So you can use it again in between washes. And there you have the Renau Pieced Out Contour Fiber Cream. There's many things that you can do with it, and I encourage you to experiment yourself. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped spark some creativity of what you can do with your style. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.